Ready for well.
Hello everybody, it's Harry here from Worth, South Africa, and today we're going to take a look at the Type 29 angle flap discs from Worth. Everybody is familiar with the flat one, but the angle one is also aluminum oxide on the fiberglass backing, and as you can see, the familiar blue and green stripe on the back tell you it's good for steel and stainless steel. It is for deburring of surfaces, material removal, weld seam processing, and they are 115 millimeter in diameter. Different grids from P40, 60, 80 and 120. The color is brown, and as you can see, if I touch this one lifts up, this one is flat. So let me quickly show you how I work with this. As you can see, it's very effective, and because I run at an angle, I don't have a problem where the disc is running around on the surface. Thank you very much.